Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra has surfaced in its first real-world unboxing, offering an early look at the device ahead of the official launch coverage. A Twitter user named Sahil shared multiple posts revealing that he has the device in hand. In his first post, he confirmed receiving the phone in Dubai and showcased the retail packaging of the Galaxy S26 Ultra. The box design appears clean and minimal, giving us an early glimpse at the official presentation. In follow-up posts, he shared additional photos of the phone alongside the box, providing a closer look at the device's design and overall packaging. He later posted a message saying he was officially switching from his Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra to the new model. The setup screen visible in the image confirms that the device is fully operational. Further images include a clear hands-on look at the phone, including a selfie taken with the device. A screenshot shared by the user confirms the white color variant, along with model description details and model number information. One of the highlights from the leak is a video demonstrating the new privacy display feature in real-world conditions, showing how the screen limits visibility from side angles. However, an important change has also been confirmed. The S Pen on the Galaxy S26 Ultra does not support Bluetooth functionality this time. Additionally, the leaker shared a side-by-side comparison featuring the Galaxy S26 Ultra alongside the iPhone 17 Pro Max, the Vivo X300 Pro, and the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, offering a clearer perspective on size and design differences. Overall, this early unboxing provides a detailed first look at the Galaxy S26 Ultra's design, features, and key changes ahead of its official spotlight.